Welcome! In front of me I have smartwatch HUAWEI 7010 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system operation. And once you find it, tap on it. Then find the option called reset. And after you find it, tap on it to confirm. And then tap on the checkmark to confirm to start the resetting process. Before though, I recommend to check the battery level on your watch, because if the battery is low, it might die during the resetting process, which would possibly break your device. So if you're not sure if your battery is charged, please charge it before you continue with the reset. And another thing to mention is that if you perform the factory reset on your watch, it will remove all of your data from your watch. So if you don't want to lose your data, don't reset your watch. Okay, tap on the check mark and then wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see this message, it means that the factory reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.